In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your in-game name in PUBG PC. First, make sure you're on the main lobby screen. From here, move your mouse to the top of the screen and click on the Customize option. Once the Customize window opens, look to the left side and find the Utility section. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Utility tab, you should see an item called Nickname Change Card. This is the item you'll need to change your name. If you don't see the nickname change card in your inventory, you'll need to buy one. To do that, click on Visit Store. This will open the store page where the nickname change card is available for purchase. You'll notice that the card costs 990 G coins. If you don't have enough G coins, you can add more by clicking on Add G coins. A window will appear showing the available purchase options. Choose the one you prefer, follow the steps to complete your payment, and confirm your purchase. Once you have enough G coins in your account, go back to the store and click on Buy Now to purchase the nickname change card. After the purchase is complete, return to the Customize menu, open Utility again, and you'll find your nickname change card under Consumables. Click on the nickname change card and select Use Item. A box will appear where you can enter your new name. Type in your desired username carefully. Make sure it meets PUBG's naming rules. Once you're happy with your new name, click OK to confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching.